Welcome to all students in subject design of transmission system. We today discuss about gear nomenclature. Gear nomenclature is very important topics in gear. This is the different definitions like addendum, dedendum, face width, top land, tooth thickness, clearance, circular pitch, addendum circle, width of space, fillet radius, pitch circle, face, flank, bottom land, clearance circle, dedendum circles. These are the all are covered in gear nomenclature. These all the very important topics, and this definition is very important for understanding the gear. So now we discuss about one by one in gear nomenclature. In gear nomenclature, pitch circle is a theoretical circle upon which all calculations are based. Pitch circles of mating gears are tangent to each other. Pinion is the smaller of two mating gears. Gear is the larger. In circular pitch is equal to the sum of the tooth thickness and the width of space measured on the pitch circle. And next definition is diametral pitch. Diametral pitch is the ratio of the number of teeth to the pitch diameter. In module is the ratio of the pitch diameter to the number of teeth. In addendum, addendum is the radial distance from the top land to the pitch circle. In gear nomenclature, also next definition is dedendum. In dedendum is the radial distance from the bottom land to the pitch circle. Next definition is hole depth. Hole depth is the sum of the addendum and dedendum. Next definition is clearance circle. Clearance circle is a circle that is tangent to the addendum circle of the mating gear. Clearance is the amount by which the dedendum in a given gear exceeds the addendum of its mating gear. Backlash is the amount by which the width of the tooth space exceeds the thickness of the engaging tooth measure on the pitch circles. Gear tooth failure. This is the very important definitions of gear nomenclature. After this definition, we discuss about gear tooth failure. Very important topics. Gear tooth failure. Okay, in gear tooth failures, gear failure can occur in various modes. In this chapter, details of failure are given. In case is taken during the design stage itself, to prevent each of these failure is a sound gear design can be evolved. The gear failure is explained by means of flow diagram in figure. Modes of gear failure. First, there are 5 types: scoring, wear, pitting, plastic flow, and tooth fracture. In scoring, there is initial scoring, moderate scoring, destructive scoring, and frosting. In wear, there is adhesive. There are 3 types: adhesive wear, polishing, moderate wear, server wear. In wear, abrasive wear, corrosive wear. In pitting, there is subsurface original failure like initial pitting, destructive pitting, case crushing. In surface or very surface origin failure, initial pitting, destructive pitting, frosting pitting. In plastic flow, cold flow, riding, rippling. In tooth fracture, fatigue breakage, overload breakage. Now we discuss about abrasive wear. Abrasive wear is the principal reason for the failure of open gearing and closed gearing of machinery operating media polluted by abrasive materials. Examples are in mining machinery, cement mills, road laying, building constructions, agriculture and transportation machinery, and certain other machines. In all these cases, depending on the size, shape, and concentration of the abrasive, the wear will change and abrasive wear is classified as mild and severe. In mild abrasions, mild abrasion is noticed when there is ingress of fine dust particles in lubricating oil, which are abrasive in nature. Since abrasive is very fine, the rate of metal remove is slow. It takes a long time. In abrasive wear, the abrasive surface appears as thought it is polished. A spiral bevel pinion with mild abrasion is shown in figure. Mild abrasive wear is faced in cement mills or grinding mills. Fine dust particles entering the lubricating medium cause three-body abrasions. The prior machining marks disappears and surface appears highly polished as shown in figure. Noticeable wear occurs when over a long time. Sealing improvement and slight pressurization of the gearbox with air can reduce the entry of dust particles and decrease in this wear. In abrasive wear, cause foreign particles in the lubricant like dirt, rust, weld, spatter or metallic debris can scratch the tooth surface. This is the remedy of abrasive wear: provision of oil filters, increasing surface hardness, use of high viscosity oils. This is the abrasive wear. This is where occurs due to ingress of large abrasive particles in the lubricating medium and high concentrations of the particle. The particles will a series of groove on the surface in the direction of sliding on the gear tooth as shown in figure. High rate of wear in this case will quickly reduce the tooth thickness. Thin tooth may later on fracture leading to the total failure. This is corrosive wear. Corrosive wear is due to chemical action of the lubricating oil or the additives. Tooth is rubbed due to wear and can be seen in the figure. Chemicals wear of plank of internal gear caused by acidic lubricating as shown in figure. Now what is corrosive wear? Causes. Corrosive of the tooth is caused by corrosive elements such as extreme pressure, additives present in lubricating oils, foreign materials. Now remedies of this corrosive wear: providing complete enclosure for the gears free from external contamination, selecting proper additives, replacing the lubricating oil at regular intervals. Pitting of gears. Pitting is a surface fatigue failure of the gear tooth. It occurs due to repeated loading of tooth surface and the contact stress exceeding the surface fatigue strength of the material in the fatigue region gets removed and a pit is formed. The pit itself will cause stress concentration and soon the pitting spreads to adjacent region till the whole surface is covered. Subsequently, higher impact load resulting from pitting may cause fracture of the already weakened tooth. However, the failure process takes place over millions of cycles of running. There are two types of pitting, initial and progressive. Last point is pitting of gears. Initial pitting occurs during running in period wherein oversized peaks on the surface get disloaded and small pits of 25 to 50 micrometer deep the form just below pitch line region. Later on, the load gets distributed over a larger surface area and the stress comes down, which may stop the progress of pitting. So, today we cover all the points of gear. So, thanks all of you.